I almost dropped it. Hi.
Hi, Earl.
Hi, Wendy. We say hi, and we love Jesus.
Yep.
Look at this plumbing I'm doing. Woo! Had to go through the concrete, had to put a metal shield around there. I had to put a stud in there because the guy didn't frame it right, and I did this. It's a hot water, cold water and a hot water. Did some plumbing. I'm putting in these things to support the sink. So, anyhow, pretty cool, huh? Interesting. Yep. Whoa! It's good not to drop the video. Well, thanks for participating in my video and watching. And I just want to say, have a blessed day. Don't let the enemy rob you of your joy. And remember, Jesus rocks. He is the rock of my salvation. God bless you guys. Love, Brother Earl and Sister Wendi. Bye.